In this video, we're looking at a formula called Heron's formula. Now, it also lets us find the area of a triangle, and it lets us do it when we know all of the side lengths. So maybe if you've been following along so far, you could realize, well, actually, if I knew all the side lengths, I could use the cosine rule to get one of the angles, and then I'd be able to use that other area formula involving sine and get the area that way. But if you think about it, that's going to be quite a bit of work, right? To use both of those formulas to get there. And when we have this one instead. So I'm not going to prove this one. You're going to just have to take my word for it, or you could look up on the internet somewhere else for a proof of it. I figured the proof of this one doesn't matter too much. So if we look at it, what it says is the area is equal to the square root of this S, and then bracket S take A, where that's one side length, then kind of the same thing, but with B, and the same thing with C, right? What S is it's what we call the semi-perimeter. Now all that means is it's the perimeter divided by 2. So all you do, add up all the side lengths, divide it by 2, sub that in here, 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 sub in your side lengths, put in your calculator, out comes the answer. I mean, sometimes you'd be able to do this by hand, but typically they're things that you're going to have to use a calculator for. So let's just look at this one here. What we've got is, well, the semi-perimeter is all the side lengths added up, 2 plus 3 plus 4, all over 2. So what? 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So we got 9 on 2, i.e. 4.5. Then if we look at our formula, well, it's equal to the square root of S times S take A times S take B times S take C. And then we put it in, so we get square root of 4.5. And then 4.5 take, what are we going to do? Take, well, what is A? That, right, here's our, yep, so that is A, that is B, that is C. So take 2, 4.5 take 4, 4.5 take 3. And now it's just a matter of putting that in your calculator and getting the answer. If you were to do that, you would get something that looks like that. You would get roughly 2.9. And it's as simple as that. Thanks.